My initial intention for this workshop was to share the brilliant insight of my teacher, Dr. Ida Rolfe, about the influence of tensions in the face and jaw on the structure of the whole body. I also wanted to demonstrate that the organization of the face, neck, and head is profoundly affected by whether one breathes through nose or mouth. The workshop helps you understand and experience skeletal and myofascial connections between your cranium, your face, and your spine. We look at relationships between normal movements of the temporo-mandibular joints and movements at the atlanto-occipital joints. Imbalances between all these joints contribute to the shape of a face and to the facial expression of attitude. As I dug into research for this class, I learned that the way we use our tongues has an incredibly powerful influence on our body's posture and even on how efficiently we move. Your tongue has an optimal posture that not only facilitates nasal breathing, but actually influences alignment of the neck and spine. It even contributes to better coordination throughout your whole body. You really have to experience this for yourself to believe it. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to deepen your somatic intelligence.